Tactical knives still have an important place for those that are not on the front lines daily. A good tactical knife can be the difference between escaping a car crash, defending yourself, and helping others in distress or not. There are many products available to choose tactical knives, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best amazing tactical knives from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ka-Bar 1213 Black Straight Edge Knife. This knife is a variant of the original Ka-Bar, which was created to provide Marines with a weapon that matched the German combat knives and close combat weapons' lethality, dependability, and reliance during World War II. The origin of the name Ka-Bar knives is a fascinating fact. Do not be deceived, these knives are designed to kill. This is demonstrated by the name, which is a play on Kill a Bear, which originates from a tale about a guy who killed a bear with a knife after his rifle malfunctioned. I'll start by mentioning that the Marines highly regard Ka-Bar for producing knives that are capable of warfare. Remember that although the Ka-Bar 1211, 1212, 1213, and 1214 all have the number 1211 stamped on the blade, there are some differences between them. The variations shown in figures 1211 through 1214 each have a straight edge and a leather sheath, a serrated edge and a leather sheath, a straight edge and a kydex sheath, and a serrated edge and a kydex sheath. Number 2. SOG Fixed Blade Knives. A powerful tactical fighting, survival, utility, and hunting knife, this bad boy. It has a blade made of OZ8 high-grade stainless steel that has been reinforced with a revolutionary titanium oxide coating and sintering for increased strength. They have also given the blade a patented cryogenic treatment to boost its tensile strength, making it the strongest blade in the market. Most owners of this knife quickly realize how sharp it is right out of the box, so be cautious while opening the package until you're comfortable handling the blade. For strength, quality, and grip, the handle is made of glass-reinforced nylon, which is also used throughout the entire knife. In fact, indestructible would be the best word to use to characterize the handle's construction, which speaks for itself. Number 3. Gerber Strong Arm Fixed Blade Knife with Fine Edge. Members of the US military carry some fantastic combat knives made by Gerber. The Strong Arm and LMF2 Infantry are the two that will be covered in this article. These two knives are both made in the USA and are excellent for combat purposes. Let's start by discussing the Strong Arm. Full Tang blade made of 420 high carbon stainless steel is a characteristic of the Strong Arm. By coating the blade with ceramic, which resists rusting and lengthens the blade's lifespan, Gerber raises the bar for toughness and sharpness. The handle is made of glass-reinforced nylon and has a rubberized overmolded handle, making it sturdy and comfortable to hold. In order to make the grip even more secure, the designers at Gerber went one step further by adding a diamond-textured surface. Additionally, the handle has a hard striking pommel that allows you to pierce solid objects, which is invaluable in rescue or survival situations. Number 4. CRKT Goken Pocket Knife. The blade has a special form that enables rapid stabbing in addition to deep slices. A 3.69 inches blade manufactured of stainless steel is used by CRKT. This steel is very durable and has high wear and corrosion resistance. For all of your dicing and slicing requirements, everything comes together to form a trustworthy and durable blade. The blade is an Osaraku Zukuri modified Tanto-style blade, according to CRKT. I can vouch for its sharp corner for making deep cuts and its scalpel-like tip, which will penetrate deeply and cut through whatever has to be removed. This blade folds away and vanishes into the grip for a snug fit in the pocket. When necessary, the flipper design makes sure the blade opens quickly, and the liner lock stays in place no matter how grimy things become. Number 5. Cold Steel 49 LCK SRK SK5. The Cold Steel SRK has shown itself in battle and never ceases to dazzle people at the top of the American military. This knife continues to be a favorite among many people traveling abroad after being heavily utilized by Navy SEALs in basic underwater demolition training. Although it's not a super steel, the knife with SK5 steel truly jumps out to me and is incredibly reasonable for what you receive. It's still a knife you can rely on. If you want to abuse the knife severely and use it as a daily beater, I'd suggest the SK5 version will work well for you and is reasonably priced to replace if necessary. Unless you plan to use your knife frequently and strongly rely on it, the Super Steel CPM 3V variant is probably not worth the extra money for the typical outdoorsman.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF if you want to know product price do check out description. For any kind of problem please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.